All right, so back to the Boxer again, and I need a file that Adobe Premiere could actually read. So we are going to go to File, Export, and we're going to go to Render Video. So when I click this, it's compressing all of the frames into one file that Adobe Premiere can read. You got to remember, your Photoshop file doesn't read properly in Adobe Premiere. It's going to read it as separate layers when you bring that in, and what we want to do is we don't want that. We want our frames. So gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rename this, call it Boxer Animation, and I'm gonna select the folder. Always want to know where it's going to, and I have my Boxer Animation folder. I'm gonna choose that because that's where it's going to. H.264 is fine. 12 frames per second. Actually, I want it faster. I think we'll do 24. And then everything else looks okay. We hit the render button. And as we speak, it is compressing all of those frames into one readable file for Adobe Premiere. And then when I go into my folder, I should actually see in my Boxer folder on my desktop, I'm going to type in Boxer. There we go, in my folder. There it is. There's the animated file right there. And you'll always know the difference because .mp4, that's a file that contains audio and video. We're just mainly worried about the video. So anyways, but that's how you would export and use that in Adobe Premiere.